Hi everyone, welcome back. Is your Vortex ZG65 phone not turning on or charging? In this video, we will guide you through quick solutions to get your phone working again. Fix 1. Check the back cover. Gently pry off the back cover of the phone. Ensure that the cover is properly aligned and clicked into place. If it feels loose, reattach it firmly. Fix 2. Inspect the buttons. Look for any dirt or debris around these buttons. Use a soft brush or a cloth to gently clean around the buttons to ensure they can remove freely. Fix 3. Examine the battery. Take out the battery from the phone. Look for signs of swelling, leakage, or corrosion on the battery terminals. If you notice any damage, replace the battery with a new one or a known good battery. Fix 4. Clean the charging port. Look inside the charging port for dust, lint, or debris. Use a small tool or a soft brush to gently clean out any buildup. Fix 5. Test the charger. Try using a different charging cable and wall adapter to see if they are work with your phone. Plug your current charger into another device to confirm it's functioning properly.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.